In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment details on Whop step by step, so you can add your card quickly and get your account ready to make purchases or manage payments without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Whop tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're on the home feed inside your Whop account. This is important because the settings you need are accessible from the main dashboard area. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens your account menu. Next, in that menu, find the gear icon to the right of your profile name and click it. That will take you directly into your account settings. If you don't see the gear right away, take a second to look carefully near your name and profile options, because that's where Whop keeps the main account controls. Now that you're in account settings, look at the sidebar on the left side of the page. You should see an option called Payment Methods. Click on that and it will open the Manage Payment Methods page. This is where you can add, view, or update the payment details connected to your Whop account. On the Manage Payment Methods page, look for the section labeled Your Payment Methods. Under that section, click the plus Add Payment Method button. This will trigger the payment form and let you enter your card information. Now carefully fill in your payment details. Enter your credit or debit card number in the card number field. Then add the expiration date in mm/YY format, followed by the CVC security code from the back of your card. After that, make sure you enter the correct billing zip or postal code that matches the card's billing address. This part is really important, because if the billing information doesn't match, the card may not save properly. Before you finish, double-check every detail to make sure there are no typos or missing numbers. A small mistake in the card number, expiration date or billing zip code can cause the payment method to fail. Once everything looks correct, click the Add button at the bottom of the form to save your card information securely. And that's it, your payment details are now set up on Whop. You can repeat the same process later if you ever need to add another payment method or update your billing details. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Whop tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.